So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and this is a Meesho clothing haul after ages. The last time I did it, probably it was 2022. I don't even remember at this point, but I am so excited because I picked all these pretty Meesho jackets, sweatshirts and hoodies at a 300 rupee budget. So budget hauls is something that I always do, but when it's like winter wear, I don't think that 500 के नीचे इतना मिलता है कुछ अच्छा. So I've kept the products in the packet itself because I am gonna give you an absolute honest review. I haven't touched any of the product yet and I myself am super excited to see if the products are nice or not. So without much blubbering, let's get started with today's Meesho clothing haul under 300, and let me know if you guys want a part 2. We can do a part 2 or part 3 if you want it. So without much blubbering, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the one and only product that I have opened up because it was so thick. The packet was so thick. I was like, what is this? And when I opened it, it was this fur jacket. The color is pretty, like it's pink and white, but you have to like really style this. If I am gonna wear it with this navy blue top, बहुत खराब लगेगा. Quality is not that good, and I mean you can't even expect a good quality at this cheap price. So probably you can skip on this, or if you have something in white, then it's gonna look good. Talking about the comfort, it is like very comfortable, very snuggish, very soft and doesn't really feel like 300. So अगर घर के लिए कोई jacket या fur jacket you're looking for, then this is perfect. And it's not that bad, but the color is just not coloring today. So let's move on to the next one. The price of this was 280, and 280 is like good, like worth your money. Over everything, I want to say I love the length of this because I don't like very long jackets, and cropped bhi doesn't work, you know. Winters to make cropped jackets, if you're like really cold, then it won't work. But this length is very regular and it's nice. Moving on to the second one. This jacket is really cheap. It's for 220, and I think for 220 it feels very comfortable. Definitely doesn't feel like a 220 rupees jacket. I really like it. I love the color. I love how the fur feels like. It's very comfortable, but it's gonna keep you warm and do the jacket purpose as well. This doesn't have a hood. It's like a proper jacket, and niche there's this elastic given, so probably it will be like slim fit as well. It will be body hugging, bodycon if you want it to be. Otherwise आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हो. So I thought most of the products that I got, I have to return them, but they're not bad. Like, I didn't expect this quality. It's nice. The size that I got is small, but always remember to get your exact size. If you're small, then get a small instead of getting a bigger size or a smaller size, because these are like perfectly fitted and it's not exactly cropped. It's again a regular size jacket up till your waistline, and this is how I like my jackets to be. Now let's move on to another jacket. Okay, this is our next jacket. It is the Flace short jacket white in the size small, and the brand is called ITA Fashion. Not at all bad for a white jacket. This was for 220 again, but इसका कपड़ा और brown वाले का कपड़ा same नहीं है. This is cotton and this is like pure cotton type, and the brown one was fur, so there's definitely a difference in the quality. Not gonna lie, I like this one more. This is cuter, and I love white jackets. I love crop jackets, and this is a little cropped. If you can see, it's not that bad. And there's a hood piche. This one had so many colors in it. All the products that I'm showing right now, I'll mention them down below, and जब आप link पे click करोगे, you will see so many colors. I think all the colors are good, but something that you must have is a white, brown and black, because it goes with everything. And if you want to get this one, I would give you a heads up, this is like perfect. But the only thing, as you can see, the sleeves are not really matching up. So ये वाला आप अगर small हो, if your size is small, get a medium. If your size is medium, get a large. That is how it works. Otherwise थोड़ा सा fitted type का है and it will not look good otherwise. I really love when white jackets have white chains. Meesho पे everything is ruined by the black chain. As you can see, this brown one has a black chain. Makes no sense. If the brown one had a brown chain, it would look so pretty. So that is what I like about this, that this has white chain. The chain is also very like smooth. Okay, this is our next jacket, and okay, I don't think I ordered something like this. My god, this is a full length jacket in the color gray. The size is small. It doesn't look small, it looks almost like large because it's like so big. If you can see, my room is already so hot. I cannot wear this. I'm gonna die. It's, oh my god, it's so warming inside. अंदर का कपड़ा fleece है. I already don't like this jacket. Okay guys, I wore this jacket. It almost ruined my mental health and makeup both. I was wrong. This is not at all large. It is small and kind of extra small because these sleeves are so tight, and women usually have like thicker wrists. I am the one with such small wrist, but otherwise I don't know how you're gonna fit into this. If you're small, then get a medium or like a large, because it's just not going to fit you. And this looks so ugly. I don't like this at all. Like, ऊपर का chain है, it's fine. If it's winter, then probably I might wear it. But the kapda is not good. It's like polyester-y, and if you're somebody who doesn't have a problem with polyester, then you can go with this. But I am not a big fan. I'm definitely gonna pass on this. Probably I'm gonna return it. I don't like it at all. The price of this was $320, and I think we loved the cheaper things more, and this is just not it. It doesn't even look flattering or pretty or anything like that, and not at all a fan. I'm definitely gonna pass on this. I watched the tape and it ruined my hair as well, so no from me. This is our next jacket. It is the collar jacket catalog 1 white in the size small, and this is my favorite part about ordering something. Okay, another fur jacket. The size is small. Doesn't really feel like small. It feels almost like a medium because it's so big. The sleeves are fine and it looks good. It doesn't look bad. इसमें pocket भी है. None of the jackets before had proper good pockets. This has good pockets, so when you're like, जब यहाँ पे भी you're like feeling cold, you can just get inside the pocket and it feels nice. This is how the collar looks like, and I think I like the collar. I like collar jackets more than the hood ones, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. It's really comfortable. If you don't wear it, you won't realize like how soft it is, and I'm definitely a fan. I love how this feels like on my body. So if you're somebody who loves fur jackets, you have to pick this up. This was only for 330 or 310. Also, अगर आप online payment करते हो, थोड़ा कम पड़ जाता है price. Always remember to pay online and pay through whatever UPI, debit card, credit card, does not matter. There are more colors. There's brown, black, white, lavender, green, yellow. So I think you should pick a black as well, and let me know if you want me to review it for you. मैं second video में दिखा दूंगी. Let's move on to the last product of today's haul, and this is the only sweatshirt that I picked because I'm not really a sweatshirt person, and I thought that this haul should only be about jackets and kind of hoodies. If you want a separate sweatshirt haul, let me know about that in the comments. And I don't know how I picked this up, but probably because it was brown, and brown is my absolute favorite color. I have so many joggers in this color and this dark color as well, so probably pairing it up won't be hard. You can find like similar joggers anywhere on Meesho at 200-300, so this is something that you can pick because आप कोड की तरह पहन पाओगे फिर, and it feels very soft. It's like some cotton and polyester material. Not really a fan of this white drawstring because they could have just used brown, but itne kam mein I cannot have it all. It's only for 240 rupees. The size is small, and I think this is perfectly my size, and it says Oakland, California, and does not matter what it says. It's a good oversized kind of sweatshirt. It's not exactly a sweatshirt, it's like a hoodie, and I like it. I think this is gonna look best with your brown shorts. It's gonna look so good because it's like oversized, so you can wear brown shorts underneath and it's gonna look really, really good. So this was all about our Meesho haul after ages, and let me know what you guys liked. Let me know if you guys want a part 2, or if you want to see like earrings or more sweatshirts. And that is it about today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, comment something down below, whatever you feel like. If you have reached to this part of the video, comment these 2 emojis, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.